guess on why it goes into collapse. And their mechanism is based on the floor assembling, sacking, and pulling in the perimeter columns for the towers. Now they're saying that in Building-7 actually that the floors remains rigid and is pushing not the perimeter columns, but the central girders of its seats. Now, so warm beams do not fall, they sack. There's no mechanism for why the collapse should spread horizontally through Building-7. Why should it do that? I showed you a picture of what happens to a building when a column fails. It just sits there. Okay? And this is a very fundamental property of nature. You cannot expect a symmetrical consequence, result, when you have asymmetrical damage. You would expect the building to go down like this or something, if it ever should go down. Now, another thing is, they want us to believe that the whole center is going down without any obvious sign to see on the outside. Do we really believe this? Now, I'll show you a little video, hopefully. Well, I have to pick up the little plug-in first. No. Oh, that is a shame. Crash completely. Well, I think I have it properly. Bill Gates doesn't like this presentation. Completely stored. Gosh. Hey, I turn on the power. It's running on batteries. Maybe that's why. Hey. Pardon? Oh, you changed tapes. I just realized that I've been running on batteries all the time. That's why. So I'm afraid that we have to. Maybe we can get a chance.
Did you get your power?
Pardon?
You got the power supply?
Yes, I just forgot to turn it on. So take it. This will last 2 seconds until we get back on time here. But the question is, imagine all this concrete being pulverized within the building. And this is a rare video.
I told you that sucker was going to go.
What's coming here, isn't it?
What, the cloud?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are we going to jump inside?
No.
No.
No. The World Trade Center didn't make it this far.
Are there people down there?
No, there's nobody down there either. They cleared the street. See, that's why they didn't try to put that fire out.
This is the dust clouds, and this one is to believe that this actually was contained within the building before the perimeter column should go down. The perimeter column should resist the collapse of the interior, and then afterwards, somehow, it should come down in free fall speed. Well, you may think what you think, and I think what I think. Now, if this maybe, yeah, it works. Actually, what I hope to show here is side by side. This is the mist simulation, and in a little while, we'll see what happens in real life. What happened in real life, and I think we have a problem. And still, this is imagination and this is real life.
Will they put a time on the left hand?
It is in real time. So this is they imagine that the whole interior should collapse before you see the outer building going down. We have seen enough. I close with what I think is real funny fire. You know the Chinese, they love fireworks. They actually invented gunpowder 1100 years ago. And this is the headquarters of the National Chinese Television. This is a fantastic building. This is an ordinary high-rise here. But besides, they were doing last year actually a new building called the Mandarin Hotel, because the upper 20 floors of this building was reserved for a hotel. It was is still there, 150 meters high and 40 stories, so it's 36 meters less than Building-7. And they were celebrating New Year's Eve, the 9th of September. They had some fireworks on the roof, but something went wrong. So this is what happened to the Mandarin Hotel. And of course it was a decent celebration. The Chinese government did not like this video. It was taken off the web very fast. You'll see the remaining fireworks from the roof of the And I hope you agree with me that actually there's a fire here. I don't know what parade is in Chinese, but this was New Year's Eve 2009 in Beijing. And now we can have a little, what you say, inquiry first. One of these pictures is from the day before, and the other picture is from the day after. Now, should we have a vote? No. Most people recognize this is the day after, and this is correct. It's a little blackness. Actually, it's not, probably not much left of coffee machines and counts and whatever was inside. But the building is still there. And it is still there. And they're recovering it, and they're going to use it. I've seen a picture of it quite recently.
How long was the fire last?
Pardon?
How long was the fire last?
I don't know. Overnight.
Yeah, okay.
And this is pictures just for comparison, you know, to twisting the knife in the wound. This is the Mandarin Hotel. This is Building-7. You have a question, please?
What would you say to somebody who says you only see this from one side? The other side of the building is a blazing inferno.
Of Building-7?
Yeah.
No. There was no blazing inferno on the south side. I can show you a picture where there's actually no fires to see on the south side. And according to NIST, we are holding our own hypothesis up to the official explanation. And according to NIST, the picture I showed you before is the only evidence on the fire of the south side. This is the official. This is my answer. It could be more elaborate, but we should.
Are they both steel frame buildings, or is one a reinforced concrete building?
Well, maybe somebody else in the audience can answer this better than I can, because they're structural engineers here. But it is as I understand, you can build concrete structures up to the 35th, 36th floor. We don't have high-steel frame high-rises in Denmark. We don't build this high. But as I understand, you can use concrete up to about 35, 36 floors, and then you have to change the steel, otherwise the building becomes too heavy. So this is 150 meters, and the Mandarin Hotel. So I would expect this to be a steel frame high-rise, also from the curvature and the structure.
The plans would tell.
Pardon?
The plans would tell you without any doubt.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Not probability, it
Yeah.
must be.
I don't know, but I just conclude that since it's beyond the 35 stories, I suppose it's a steel frame high-rise.